I'm using the Traeger Pro 22. It's been seasoned. I set it to smoke. It's at 180. Some fresh sockeye salmon from Kenai Peninsula in Alaska. I took the skin off and put it on some parchment paper. I think that's like that pink or red butcher paper, whatever they call it. So it did run 45 minutes prior to this, the day before, on high setting. And so it's done into the shutdown setting. That's been running for the first time since then. I believe, don't quote me on this, but I think I want the meat to be 145 degrees with the probe. And I may or may not try that. I might just go by looks. Probe. It goes through the side here. Got some good smoke. So the pellets I used were from Sam's Club. Put that picture of that. I literally have had this on for maybe 5 minutes. I don't even think it's been 5 minutes, but man, that thing's kicking out some smoke. I did, like I said, took the skin off the salmon and put it on the paper so it doesn't fall through. I wasn't quite sure how this is going to work. Being it my first time. Boy, that thing's really kicking out some smoke quick. I'm impressed. I did pat the salmon dry with some paper towels on both sides, seasoned both sides. I think the next time I do this, I'm going to buy some blackened seasoning or figure out how to make a blackened seasoning and add it on there. But right now I'm thinking I'm going to let it run for 15-20 minutes and then turn the temperature up to 180 for the rest of the cooking. See how that goes. I'll have to show you what the finished product looks like. This thing's definitely kicking out a lot more smoke than my gas or electric smokers I've had in the past. Pretty happy with it. So I'm cooking this for lunch, so I want to speed things up a little bit. So instead of sitting on smoke all day, I turned it to 350. I put the probe in it. I believe it said to have it up to, I don't know, 135, 145 internal temperature. I believe it's 145. See how it gets. When it gets that temperature, then it should be done. 116 degrees. Still kicking out smoke, so you don't just need the smoke thing, maybe. I'll have to learn more about it as I go. It's been a couple minutes. I see it's up to 349 degrees. Temperature probes in there. Let's see what this head checking. It's on probe 1. E1. There's this nice silver shiny button. Probe 1. Internal temperature of 126. So technically, according to the website, that's edible. Highly doubt it. Let's take a peek. I don't think that's edible. We're going to go to the 140 degrees. I think it's been 20 minutes. If you're curious how much wood it uses, so this included the preparing of it, seasoning. I don't know if you can see my finger down there. Got some big piles, but well, as far as my pointer finger can go down, 3 or more inches. The hopper is still just up to the top of this grate. And that's how much it's used so far. Between the seasoning and the grilling of the salmon. I don't know. Maybe a quarter of it so far. I know this is done, but I haven't seen anything dip out yet. I just threw some aluminum foil in there. Well, here's the finished product. Then says. 73. It's a shutdown cycle. That's what it says, about 140 something. So I don't know that I would trust this one, but that's it. Mine's not exist. Comes out of Sam. That's a little Traeger. But it didn't need to cook this long. I just hooked the extra long because that's where my wife likes it. It's a little more well done. And I did take out the pin bones. There's a little pin bones in here still. Have to work around. Kind of see one there. Anyways, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. My first use of my Traeger. No, by no means no expert. I'm just my first go around. Let you know how it turns out in the comments. I'll leave a link to my Sam's Club wood pellets I use too. Got 40 pounds for I think 15 bucks instead of 20 pounds for 20 bucks from Traeger anywhere. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.